Alright, here's the Aegis infrared thermometer. Just got this, the outer packaging. On the back it shows the measuring method, storage conditions, and some contents. Let's crack this open. Inside we have the manual. Pretty basic, straightforward. Has the warning symbols, some descriptions of the symbols that are on the actual screen, and then just what the buttons do. Also comes with this certificate of quality. Let's pull out the main unit here. As I mentioned, it talks about the different buttons and what they do. We have mode, a way to alternate between Celsius and Fahrenheit, and a memory. Some more legal information on the side there. Here's the screen itself. Feels really good in the hands. Nice firm grip. There's the trigger. And yeah, there's the new Aegis infrared thermometer.